Hello everyone, I just got that Creall starter pack in my mail, so I'm opening it up for the first time. Creall came out with a pouring medium, so I wanted to try it. They sent me a whole starter pack this time, so I got paint with it, I got a canvas with it and cups, and you can also purchase your own starter pack from their site. I just want to say I'm not getting paid for this. They just sent it to me, so I'm just gonna try it and show it to you guys. I'm really curious to try this pouring medium because it's only like 10 euros, which is way cheaper than the Floetrol I use, and also try out their acrylic paints. You can get more than one pour out of this one. You get 4 cups and 3 stirring sticks, but there's enough paint and pouring medium there to make more paintings. There is a bronze in there, so a metallic paint, an olive green is in there, and a phthalo green. So you have like a foresty vibe. That's why this starter pack is called Forest. And then you get the pouring medium, which is 500 milliliters, so a half liter you get for pouring medium in this pack. On the back of the pouring medium it says it's a ratio 1:1. We'll see how that works out because normally I do a lot more Floetrol than paint. But it also says to add a bit of more water to it if you want to dilute it more and make the consistency thinner. So we'll see how it works. I forgot to show you one last thing. That's the hanging system that's with it as well, so you can hang your canvas that you get with it as well. So if you want to try your first pour, this is the perfect starter kit to do it. So hopefully it all works out. I'll show you in a couple of weeks that are coming.